Good morning, boys and girls. It is Monday, April the 20th, and this is our phonics lesson for today. All right, guys, we are going to start it off with reading our sounds. What I'm going to start doing is on every Monday, I will read the sounds for you and with you. And then the rest of the week, then I'm going to let you do it on your own, okay? All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our sounds. All right, let's go ahead and go over these. A, E says A. E, bossy E says E. I, bossy E says I. O, bossy E says O. And U, bossy E says U. C says K. O says Ah, and O says O. G says G. ING says ing. X says X. AR says R. ONK says onk. S says S. Z says Z. ANK says ank. Y says Y. Y says I. I says I. OY says oi. R says r. UNG says ung. A says I. UNK says unk. CK says k at the end of a short vowel word. U says EE says E in the middle of a word. CH says ch. F says f. P says p. INK says ink. OO says ooh, and then it can also say N says n. ALL says all. SH says sh. V says v. T says t. E says e. E says e at the end of a short word. WH says woo. J says j. AY says a at the end of a word. ANG says ang. D says d. M says Q and U says qua. H says h. OR says or. B says b. CR says cr. TH says th. And it also says v. CL says cool. SW says swoo. SC says sk. PL says pull. DR says dr. BL says bull. L says ol. SM says sm. PR says pr. K says k. GL says ghoul. FL says full. FR says fr. ST says st. TR says tr. ONG says ong. BR says bruh. SL says soul. U, bossy E says ooh. SP says sp. SN says sn. GR says gr. Okay? All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and go on to our reading the words. I'm going to do just the first page, and then after that, I'm going to let you do the rest. This week, we are not going to really be learning any new sounds this week. We're going to be learning some new sight words, but we're just going to really be practicing really hard with those vowel and bossy E words, okay? All right, here we go. Let's start with the first row. I, mat. rob, I hid. Second row. A mate, O robe, I hide. All right, boys and girls, I want you to read these words. Remember, if you need to, just pause the video. Read those words for me. Read those words for me. Read those words for me. Okay? All right, we're on to our sight words. Boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and go through with these sight words together with you. And then the next time we do them during the week, I'll let you do them. Okay? A-R-E says are. I-S says is. W-E-R-E says were. T-O says to. D-O-E-S says does. A-N-D says and. W-H-A-T says what. W-H-O says who. O-N-C-E says once. T-H-E says the. S-A-I-D says said. I says I. D-O says do. O-N-L-Y says only. Y-O-U says you. F-R-O-M says from. Y-O-U-R says your. O-F says of. A says a. O-N-E says one. W-A-S says was. Okay? All right, go ahead and read those sentences for me. 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 All right, guys, we are going to go ahead and go with our new material, which is a new sight word. Now, this sight word should be pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy for you because this is something that you should have learned even in kindergarten. And it is the number 2. Now, we've seen 2 before, but this is a different kind of 2. The 2 that we've seen has been T-O, like you are going to the store or you're going to the movies, but this word T-W-O stands for the number 2. Okay, I'm going to give you a sentence with them. Miss Belcher has 2 cats. Okay, T-W-O says 2. All right, boys and girls, we are done with our lesson for today. I will see you next time. Remember, please stay safe. Please stay healthy. And remember, keep reading and doing your math. All right, until next time.